Hello, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find WordPress themes. So we will be looking at two angles. You being a WordPress blogger or a user and you want to find themes that you can use for your blog, that is your own blog. And also if you want to find out the theme or the templates a WordPress site is using. So we'll be doing these two demos or these two settings. So let's learn how we can achieve these two. Before I get started into today's video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Smash the like button, give me the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. If you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. Looking for the best WordPress hosting platform, I recommend to you Bluehost. We at WP Blogger and WP Tools Guide, we use Bluehost. Click on the link below this video. It will bring you to this page. Make your order for Bluehost today. Just come here and select any of these packages. Now, let's get started into today's video. Are you a new WordPress user? Are you a beginner looking for new WordPress theme? This is the video for you. So keep on watching as I show you how you can find WordPress themes. If you are looking for free WordPress themes, it's very easy. Come into your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Appearance. On Appearance, hover on it and click on Themes. So I'll click on Themes here. And inside the Themes page, we have these ones here. Our site is using newspaper theme. It's a premium theme. If you want to use newspaper, I have the link below this video. You can check it out. It's the best WordPress theme that I recommend to bloggers. When you install WordPress, it comes with these defaults. I just added this one, but you have the 2019, 2021, and 2020 as default themes inside your WordPress dashboard. So let's add a new theme. We can click here or we can click here. So let me just click on this and let's find a theme. All the themes here are for free. On this page, you will find many free WordPress templates or WordPress themes that you can use. One of my favorite of these free templates is Color Mark. If you like this, then you just click on Install Now to install this theme into your blog. You can also use the filter option. We have popular here, so we can go for latest. So you can use these options to find an appropriate theme to use. If you have favorites, that's if you are logged into your wordpress.org account, you'll find your favorites here. And also here are some of the premium themes available. And these premium themes are from Bluehost. So if you are being hosted on Bluehost, these are some premium themes you can also acquire. Let's go back to our free themes. Let's use the feature filter here. So for example, we want to build a theme on food and drink. We can just select this one and hit apply filter. and we are going to get themes recommended for food and drink niches like these ones. So you go through and select the one you want, edit the filter. For example, we want a theme that comes with options. We can enable featured image and all that. So go through, select the one you want, the options that you want, and just hit the filter. Let's select this one, 2 columns, and apply the filters we've selected. And here we are with some free nice looking templates we can easily install for our WordPress blog. You can also search by using keywords. So for example, sports, you can search for sports here, and I'll be giving some free WordPress themes to install for a sports website or a sports blog. So this is how to find free themes. If you are also looking for premium WordPress themes, my recommended place is themeforest.net/category/WordPress, and you will find many of the amazing premium WordPress themes on this marketplace. So check out this URL, come here and go through the various themes. Let's just browse through. For example, I want to have a real estate. I'm building a real estate website, so I'm looking for a real estate theme. And here are some of the most popular ones. We have houses here, we have real homes. So use Theme Forest to also find themes that you can also use for your WordPress blog. Now let's go to the last step. I am going to copy the URL of this site. So if you are looking for the theme of a WordPress site and you know that site is powered by WordPress but you don't know the theme, just copy the URL like this and come to this website, wpthemedetector.com, and enter the URL here and click on this button. As it's loading, there's also another website, whatwpthemeisthat.com. You can also use it. It's not required to use the two at the same time, no. I'm just showing you the two different options you have. And as you can see, the name of my theme is newspaper, as it has shown here. Let's come back here. It's still processing. That is bad. I guess by now it should have completed. So you can see the theme that I'm using is newspaper by TagDev, and this is the version that I'm using. So if you want to check out the theme of a WordPress site, you can also use this site or this one. And here we are. The resource is completed and all that. So guys, this is how easy to find a theme of a WordPress website. If you are looking for new themes to install, check out the free versions inside your WordPress admin dashboard. And if you want the premium version, which comes with more features and options, you can also check out themeforest.net and grab one of these themes according to the niche you are building your WordPress blog on. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you've done so, please smash that like button. Give me the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. Don't forget to leave all your questions, your feedback, and suggestions inside the comment box below. Also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Before I take leave of you, I have prepared some WordPress resources for beginners. Check the description box below this video You will find all these WordPress resources there. They are meant to help you become an expert in WordPress blogging. They are meant to help you get the best out of WordPress, and they are meant to help you in your WordPress blogging journey. Until I come your way with another video, bye bye from WP Blogger.